Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna continue working on part 6 of this church. Let's get started. So in the last video, we were able to finish off by adding all the furniture, and as you can see, we have added general office and we have an open concept furniture system, cubicle system right here, and then we added the pastors and everything else. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just move this room tag right about here so that it's visible, and I'm just going to copy this 4, so CO to copy and then grab it from here, and then maybe we could add more, so I'm gonna hit multiple for sure, and then I'm just going to put it all the way up here. I think we maximize the space right here, so that's good, and I'm happy with this look. So next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna double check all my levels. So here everything is showing. Level 3, as you can see, the horizontal is not showing, and then here it's not showing the horizontal as well. So level 3 and 4, there's something happening here. So the reason that it's not showing up is because of one of the elevations right here. It's not all the way at the top. So here we're going to investigate. So as you can see, once we pull this up, it will be showing on the levels as well. So here I'm just checking each of the elevation. So now it's south, and then the west I believe is good as well. So here we could just move this one right here, and then move this all the way on here so that to have some spacing. So I'm just gonna double check again that everything is clean enough, and then here if we check level 3 again, as you can see, everything is showing up. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to level 2. The reason that I'm going to level 2 is so that I could see everything right here. You can always come here. We're gonna add the roof. So here I'm just gonna probably go to level 2. I like it here so that I can see each and every one of this. So let's go and click on roof. I'm just gonna close this off. I need to click on the roof instead. Here I'm just going to click on edit type, duplicate, and then here I could just call it roof number 1, and then edit, and then here I'm going to put the thickness to 200, and then in terms of material, let's go and add asphalt. Asphalt shingles. Press OK and then OK. I want it with slope, so I'm just going to leave the define slope checked. Here we're going to add it at level 4. So once we add that on level 4, it will be attached to level 4, and then we're going to add the slope afterwards. I want it to overhang around 200 or 300. And then now I'm going to select pick light, and then I'm going to pick the exterior part of this hexagon. Don't worry about the slope angle at the moment, so we're gonna fix that later on. So here, let's trim all the corners to make sure that nothing is overlapping. And then everything is over this line. And then here we could just do it manually. And I just want to do the same here up to the intersection. Once you're done, click on finish, and here it's asking us to end, or it's not basically close. So here we're just going to add one line to connect them all together. So now we're just gonna click finish, and then let's look at it at 3D. We said we want it to be overhang, and then here we have our roof. And if you go to one of the south elevation or the elevation, we need to pull it up so that everything is showing again. And then here you can even select the roof, and you can grab so that you can change the slope. So right now it's 30 degrees. You can manually change it if you want to, but for now I'm just gonna leave it like this. I think this is good enough slope, 30 degrees. And if we see, this one looks nice. We're probably going to add a wall right here in between, and then just putting it above. So here, what I'm gonna do, select level 1, and then let's just grab the exterior elevation, CS, and then here we're going to connect it from here up to here. And don't worry, we're going to go here, and then we could just manually pull it up. So no need to guess. Okay. So now we could even use align tool so that it's aligned to the proper height here. So that looks nice. We can edit this footprint so that we could align it on this corner. So there's no space. And then here, once we add the roof onto this part, it will look nicer. So now I'm going to level 2, and we're going to put it to level 3. So now go back to architecture, and then go back to roof, and then here we need to create a new roof. This will be number 2. In terms of the material, it's up to you if you want to change it, but now the important thing is uncheck define slope. That's very important, because this is what we're gonna do here is a flat roof. So now I don't want any overhang, so 0. Uncheck define slope, and then here select this one, pick line, and then we're going to select it to this exterior wall part here. Actually, what I think it's best if we put it in the interior part of this area. And then let's close it off like so. And then here, before you click finish, put this one at level 3. And then click finish. And then let's look at it at 3D. Now it's looking like this. That looks good. We could basically pull it down. So we could base offset. So negative around 400. That's fine. So that we will have a parapet. And then here, what you need to do is select this wall, attach to top base, and then select the roof, and it will fix itself there. Same thing here. Select all of this wall, click on attach top base, and then select the roof, and it will fix itself. It will not be over, and it will not show anymore. So now everything is looking good. So I'm just gonna add, I want to increase this size. So I'm just gonna highlight this, and then I'm going to have a top offset, maybe make it 600. I think that's good enough. So now we're going to add a roof again right about here. So let's go back to level 2, and then from level 2 let's go to architecture and then roof, and then I'm just gonna leave it to roof number 2, and we're going to remove this overhang, and then here select this pick line, and then we're going to check again the define slope, and we're going to select the exterior part of this wall. Oops. So let's add exterior part wall. Press escape, TR to trim and extend, which is this icon. After that, as you can see, we have all of them. Define slope 30 degree. That's fine. We could edit the slope later on once we see the look. I believe we should put it around 20 degrees. And then now pick line again, and then here uncheck define slope. Select this wall, and then now we need to clean up. TR again, trim and extend, and then trim and extend right here. Once you're done, you can select finish, and then let's look at it at 3D. So as you can see, it is slope on this side. Select this one, and then we could change the slope instantly right here. So 20 degrees, and it will go down. and then here select this one. Let's remove this base offset, and then let's increase the top offset for this wall. Let's make it 800. Okay, so everything is connecting and that looks good. We need to do it on the other side, so go back to level 2, do it again. So go to architecture, click on roof, roof number 2, and then pick line. Define slope is checked, and then here we could just add the exterior part of the wall. I was thinking maybe we should add an offset. Maybe let's do that now so that we don't need to do it. I'm just gonna change this again later on. I just want an offset for the overhang. I want it around 300 offset onto this side. Okay, so now let's clean up. Delete this, TR, trim and extend right here, and then here, there we go. So that is right there. Now click on pick line again and uncheck define slope and make sure no offset. So select this wall and then just trim it again. And then now click on finish and then select that, and then same thing, 20 degrees slope. And then let's look at it at 3D again, and it looks like this. We need to lower it more because of the slope. Probably 10. So 10 degrees on that side. If it's 20 degrees, it's like that. Maybe what I could do here is I'm just going to edit this, edit the footprint, and instead of that I'm just going to make it work with this. So I'm just gonna trim it and click on finish. I don't want it to be complicated, so I'm just going to put 15 and lower it from here. So you could just grab this one and then lower it. And then here we just need to edit so that we have an offset of 300. So I'm just going to delete this you can actually just select this. So select all this wall lines or roof line, and then 300. So I'm just going to just redo this, and then pick line, offset 300, and then define slope. I think it's much better if we just manually do it. Delete this, and then just trim everything again. Okay, and then let's just finish, and then change this to 20. And just lower this a little bit. There we go. I just put 19 instead of 20. So that looks good. I like how it looks. So we're gonna stop here for now and continue on the next video. Thank you for watching and hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.